Howdy. What's up, YouTube?
What's up, guys? So we're at the shop, like I always freaking say, and today we gotta get some more things done, of course. So I don't even know where to start. I guess let's just get started for the day. So DJ is trying to finish up his car like he has been. Of course, there's a shakedown period whenever you put your car back together, and that's what this is. So he's finishing up the wiring that he tucked away underneath his fender wells, and then what else we gotta do to this thing?
Not much. I just gotta put my gauges back in, interior piece. That's it.
That'll be set. So DJ will get this out of here soon. I'm not kicking him out, but we just want to get started on RJ's Miata Turbo project because I know RJ's super eager for that. It's gonna be fun. I think it's gonna be a good time, and it shouldn't really take long at all because we have like all the pieces for it. So if you guys didn't watch, we were at Tommy's and Rudnick's shop actually yesterday doing the exhaust work on DJ's Skyline, and he happened to pick up something pretty cool from Tommy. Do you want to show him?
No.
You don't want to show him?
Yeah, I'll show him.
Okay. Ganondor's, who this? DJ got some Ganondor mirrors, which are just basically old school Japanese aero mirrors, and they're probably the hottest mirrors you could ever throw on an S chassis or honestly an import car. They don't make them anymore, so they're hard to get. They're expensive. Of course, Tommy had an extra set because Tommy has three. Tommy has three of everything. So he was nice enough to sell them to DJ for a pretty fair price. So I'm stoked about it. These are gonna look absolutely amazing on the Sylvia. I'm jealous.
Thank you, Tommy.
I am super obviously we gotta paint it, but
yeah.
All right, guys, this is a big moment. I want you guys to be a part of this. My car is officially gonna have a hood latch again, and I'm so excited about it. If you guys didn't see, a couple weeks ago I actually got a Sylvia hood that has no hood pins in it, and I hate hood pins so much, and now I can run a hood latch, and I'm so excited. What a beautiful sight. So if you guys keep up on the Haggard North channel, Travis has been doing an SR swap in his hatch and he cannot get it to run. He has no spark. So I told him I'd come up today and help him out. So we're gonna head up there now and hopefully we can get the thing to do something. Casa de Haggard North.
Travis pretending like he's working.
What's going on? All right, guys. So we jumped into getting to work on it, and we got it to spark, which is really good. So it sparked. I wish I was filming. I kind of just got into it, and it backfired so freaking hard that I've never felt so violated in my life. Like my chest hurts. Scared the living piss out of me. So timing is probably off. It was bad. So we're gonna pull the valve cover, check his actual timing, and then we're gonna check the ignition timing, and we'll go from there. She wants to run, she just doesn't know where to put the fuel and the spark at the same time.
Yeah, that's the way she goes, dude.
Come on. Thinking maybe the cam angle sensor was timed on the wrong cycle. So now we gotta add the true TDC, and we're gonna try and redo this. We could just get, yeah, that's doing something. Okay, that's going there. Retime the cam angle sensor, and we should be all set. We're gonna throw the valve cover back on, and hopefully she hits and doesn't backfire and scare me again.
Boom.
All right, Travis, you have 1,000 vacuum leaks.
1,000,000.
Nothing's connected.
1,000 times 2.
We're gonna see if she runs.
You know, for that backfire, the math wasn't even plugged in.
I'm gonna stand far away this time.
Yeah, go ahead, do it.
Yeah. I got you. Let's see something.
Start it.
Let's get that wrist work.
Start it.
Okay, we're good. I'm happy with that.
It needs something. It needs a little something.
Hell yeah. Give me a high five.
It starts.
So a couple rotations sounds pretty healthy so far. Now you have to hook everything actual the heck up.
That's all we needed was a start. Now we can button it up.
Nothing is. There's a vacuum that's there. Guys, I hope I sparked some motivation into you, and I can't wait to see this thing together. He just has to button it up, and we should be all set.
This is gonna be done real soon now. Thanks, man.
Of course. So now we have to go run some more errands, and we're gonna head up to Rogers. We're gonna go up there, pick up some S13 parts for my S13, maybe cop some stuff for Travis because he needs it, and go from there.
Can we get coffee, please?
Oh, yes. Okay.
We're coming for you, Roger. We're here, Roger. Roger.
So Roger has 2 dashes for me. I get to pick. They both have their flaws, but you're gonna pick this one?
I picked this.
All right, this one used to have an OEM phone on it, so there's holes in it. So we'll just put something cool there. I don't know. We're gonna use this one. Why do you like this one?
It's got color. That one's faded.
It's okay. I can put some on.
And this one got them bubbles here.
Okay.
That you won't be able to see.
Okay, guys. So we went shopping here at Rogers. Of course, I mean it's literally 240 parts everywhere. So these are basically the harness that goes from the chassis harness to the headlight. It uses a sub harness, which is really nice because since I tucked my chassis harness inside the car, I could just extend these now instead of having to actually extend my chassis harness itself and cut into it, which is just sick. Also need a hood latch cable because as you guys might have just saw, I put my hood latch back on because no more hood pins, which is like the greatest thing ever. And of course I need a new dash. Mine was cracked everywhere and I did a really bad job cutting it for the cage because I put it in when I still was, you know, working with one arm. So this, hopefully I don't screw this one up and it goes nicely. So Roger, thank you, homie. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
If you guys want to hit him up and bother him, it's just at Mr. Chowput right here. There you go. I have one more stop to do on our adventure for today. So I ordered a new power steering rack for the S13 because
It's nothing.
because mine was blown and finding a used one is hard and used ones go for a lot of money. And RJ, being the awesome dude that he is, found me a brand new rack for a pretty good deal. So we're gonna go pick that up now and hopefully it's not a piece of crap. I got a nice rack, right?
It's a pretty nice rack.
nice
Have I ever
rack.
seen one? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ooh, okay. All right.
6,
Oh, okay. Oh.
7, 8.
Oh my God.
10. Bitch don't even do 60.
Oh, my check engine light is flashing. Wow, something smells on fire.
Oh my God, that is terrible.
What is that smell?
Woo!
Dude, is my car on fire?
Dude, what is that?
That smells so bad, I'm kind of concerned. You gonna spray paint those?
What?
You gonna spray paint them?
Maybe paintbrush.
Okay. All right, guys, so while my camera is charging, I threw the rack in, and I mean, it's not that technical, but it looks sick in there. I mean, it just looks good, but the best part, it's gonna perform even better. So my last year, and the year before that, both S chassis I had, the racks were completely blown. And so there was a lot of dead plane in the steering wheel, so the front end would float a lot, and that was miserable. And this year I'm not gonna have that. So that with all my other upgrades is gonna be, I feel like my whole chassis is gonna feel so much different this year, and I'm super excited about it, so.
Are we gonna put my Hikers from my Skyline in it?
Oh yeah, you wanna do that? Full Hikers install?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, totally. Okay, so rack is now in. I do need new outer tie rods because what they come with the rack is stock 240 tie rods, which are too short for my extended lowers, and they're skinnier. They're really, really skinny and they bend really easily. But in the meantime, I had to order the tie rods and they come in tomorrow, which is cool, so we'll get that done. In the meantime, since my rack is in, I can put my high pressure power steering lines in the car. Of course, I went the Njuku kit because they do have the best bang for the buck, so this is gonna get me on the track, and I'm really excited to see how this performs over the chase bays. You know what's crazy, RJ? When people are watching this video tomorrow, it'll be your birthday. You're gonna be an old bitch.
I am already an old bitch.
So,
wait. Let's see if anybody can guess how old I actually am.
Okay, in comments. Okay, guys. Make sure you go on RJ's Instagram and harass the crap out of him, and of course, tell him happy birthday, but happy birthday, RJ.
Thanks, James.
The fittings are now on, and we're gonna get this Larry right there. So we're gonna tighten that now. And then this one
That's a good looking line.
goes right here. I really, really like this kit right now. It looks really, really nice. It runs super tight. It's like the perfect length and everything. Of course, this that goes to the pump, I'm probably gonna have to trim down. And so does this line. It's gonna go just like this. It might be a little long, but whatever. Really, really excited to see how this compares against the Chase Bays kit. Now, my favorite part is the reservoir is baffled, unlike the Chase Bays one. The only thing I think I liked about the Chase Bays one better is the fact that the AN fittings are on the bottom of the reservoir instead of the side. So as you can see, they stick out. Some people like the look of AN fittings. I don't really, I don't know. But the Chase Bays one has it right on the bottom, as you can see. So it's a little cleaner looking, but not bad. So nothing too crazy is happening tonight. We're still waiting on parts. So those valve springs really, really screwed me up, like really bad. But Nismo Power Brace comes in on Friday, which is tomorrow. Sick, which means I can get my whole suspension back together. All I need is coilovers, and I think I'm gonna buy Tommy's PBMs because he doesn't want to use them. Whatever. So though it's kind of premature, I'm eager and I want to put my front end on. Me and Donald just want it on. I mean, it'll save me time in the future. Only thing that sucks about putting it on now is the fact that I have fiberglass fenders and like I'm scared someone's gonna lean on them and break them. But I mean I'm the only one that usually works in that. So yeah, let's get the front end on. You about it?
I'm about it. Okay. Yeah, buddy, let's do this. How am I gonna get down?
Like a boy.
We'll pop this off. You just jump.
Oh, I almost fell. It's teamwork.
Okay, let's get this together. So with the Silvia front end, the fenders go on first, and then the headlights actually mount on the fenders. It's kind of sketchy. I feel like Nissan should have. I mean, OEM fenders are metal, so it's different. But this bracket right here, literally is what holds up your headlights. Your stupid expensive brick headlights. It's kind of terrifying. I kind of want to make a metal reinforced brace, but that's how it works. So let's get the fenders on. Oh boy, this has been on for way too long.
You gotta pay attention.
Oh, you gross bastard. Yay.
Yeah, that shit is dusty.
Just like your forehead. Sick. What a bitch.
Wow. Damn, she looking mean right now.
Too bad this is like way too early to put these on, but I'm too excited. I'm eager.
Wow.
Oh no, it's pretty spot on, dude. For like a rough mock-up, it's pretty close. This is always such a trial and error process. Oh, there we go.
I don't know about you guys, but I'm all about the pop-ups.
Damn, she looks so good. Got the whole front end back on. I'm so excited. I know all I did was literally make my life more difficult because when I'm trying to, get the engine back together in there, it's gonna be a lot harder, but
It was totally worth it. It was, I don't know, it's exciting.
now I just need to get my suspension together. Once my power brace comes in, I can get the coils from Tommy, put on the grounds, and it'll be...
It's been such a drag. Like, I could put this car together in like 3 days if I had all the parts, but
All right, so Jimmy is next door helping Don with something. So let's go see what they're doing. Just coming to see what you're doing.
I'm like routing myself.
Can I do a little two-step for the viewers?
Yeah? Oh yeah, did you tell me your story last night?
Oh,
DJ.
can I?
Oh my god.
Okay, so on the way home from Tommy's shop, I was on my way home, and my car doesn't like the two-step when it's cold, so I'll come back out and show you. But I was on my way home, and I was like right off the highway at a light, and I was like, all right, I'm gonna try it. I did it. It was really loud. A car was coming the opposite way, like past me, and they went by me like 10 feet. They stopped. A big ass tall black dude got out, started running towards my car. He must have thought I like shot at him or something. The light turned green and I bounced, but he was pissed. He was really mad. I don't know. I wasn't like trying to stick around to see what he wanted, but yeah, that's my story. Alright guys, so today was a pretty successful day. Jimmy got his whole front end on.
Ooh, big look. I know.
Today was a...
No, it's good.
I guess. I feel like I've been really slacking on you guys lately. This whole like waiting for parts thing, and which I'm embarrassed about, is like really.
That's not your fault though.
I know, but it looks bad on me. I think as a YouTuber because we haven't been getting a lot done lately, and it's just nothing I could help. I don't have enough money to buy parts for every project right now, so it's just kind of like a lot of waiting around. But we've been doing a lot of stuff with everyone else's cars, so that's good.
Yeah.
DJ's car will be together. For some reason, the clutch won't bleed out. We replaced his master with the used one. We think his master's bad, so you guys missed that. But that's another thing we have to do until DJ can get his car running on the road.
It's always like stupid things like that when you take your car apart. You gotta like kind of expect that stuff. So pretty soon she'll be drivable, and I cannot wait because I love that car. So
tonight is gonna be more wiring for me. So Don has a whole mix of, he has like 3 different wire harnesses we got to make work for this car. Though Randy from Eliminate hooked us up heavy with the Wiring Specialties Pro harness for his S14. It was It's for a Zenki with a kooky SR when he has a Zenki SR with a kooky chassis, and it's a little different. And he also has an S13 transmission harness, and it's like a weird mix. And the Wiring Specialty harness isn't ran like OEM; they kind of run it in their own style. So I got to make something work. But the wire harness that it came with was wired for an S13, but the guy left the kooky plugs on it. It's a mess. So I'm gonna try and utilize the kooky plugs to make the transmission harness work, and it's. I'm gonna get this to work, and you guys are gonna see this thing run soon enough, and I'm so excited for Don. But I'm gonna leave this filming to Don. This is for his channel, so if you guys want to catch up on Don's channel, because he's been posting a lot about this lately, go check him out. I'll put the link in the description, and you can see me fucking swear doing wiring on that channel. So, but that's about it, guys. I hope you guys liked today's video, even though it was a little slow. But yeah, so you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and Donovan.
Have a good night, guys.